This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Audrey Vergez. Beautifully updated 4-house pool home in highly desirable centrally located Plantation Park. Large lot. All plumbing has been replaced. High-end kitchen with new stainless appliances. New master bath completely renovated with double vanity, glass enclosure, and Bluetooth speakers. Hurricane impact doors plus shutters throughout. Fully fenced yard. Beautiful wood floors in the main living areas. Tons of windows and lots of natural light. Large 2-car garage with extra room for storage. Covered outdoor entertaining space. Shopping, good schools, parks, and entertainment nearby. For more information, review the details below.